Chapter 12: The Muscular System and Digestive System in Human Beings. Hello students, have you ever wondered how your arms move, how you can chew food, or how your body turns food into energy? In this chapter, we learn about two important systems in our body: the muscular system, which helps us move and do different actions; the digestive system, which helps us break down the food we eat and absorb nutrients. Let's explore how these amazing systems work together to keep our body active and healthy. The muscular system. Our body is made up of muscles and bones. Muscles help us move, smile, breathe, and even digest food. How do muscles work? Muscles can contract, tighten, and relax, loosen. When they contract, they pull on the bones to create a movement. Remember, muscles never push, they only pull. That is how we lift our hands, walk, or blink our eyes. Types of muscles. There are three main types of muscles. Voluntary muscles, we control them, found in arms, legs, and face, help in walking, writing, and eating. Involuntary muscles work automatically without us thinking, found in stomach, intestines, and blood vessels. Cardiac, cardiac muscles, found only in the heart. They work all the time without stopping, even when we sleep. So muscles are always working to keep us moving and alive. The digestive system. Now let's learn how the digestive system works to give us energy. When we eat food, it goes on a journey through our body. Along the way, it gets broken down into nutrients that our body can use. Digestive organs and their functions. Mouth, buccal cavity. Digestion begins here. Teeth chew the food. Tongue mixes the food with saliva, which begins breaking down starch. Esophagus, food pipe, a tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. Food moves down using a muscle action called peristalsis. Stomach, food gets mixed with digestive juices. Proteins start to break down here. Small intestine, this is the main digestion and absorption area. The liver adds bile to break fats. The pancreas adds enzymes to break food into smaller parts. Nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. Large intestine. Water is removed from the leftover food. The rest becomes waste and is removed from the body. Role of liver and pancreas. The liver produces bile, which breaks down fats. The pancreas produces enzymes to break carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Journey of food. A quick recap. Let's quickly review the path of food. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. At each step, the food is digested more, and nutrients are absorbed. Conclusion. Let's recall what we learned today. Our muscles help us move and do different actions. There are voluntary, involuntary, and cardiac muscles. The digestive system breaks down food into nutrients. Organs like the mouth, stomach, liver, and intestines work together. Digestion gives our body energy to grow, move, and stay healthy. So, to keep these systems strong, eat healthy food, exercise regularly, and get enough rest.